Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey y'all, I just came off the train. I'm in the mood for beef patty with cocoa bread, but I'm in Williamsburg and they don't have that over here. I'm just in the mood for some cigarette smell. Oh, beef patty and cocoa bread I want. I just can't. Hold on. The closest one they tell me is I'm on my way somewhere, but I'm hungry. When I came off the train, when I got on the train, it was the sun was out. Now this one is not out. Oh yeah, today is Monday, February 20th. Today's Rihanna's birthday, so happy birthday to Riri. Period. I'm trying to find. Hold on, I'm trying what I'm looking for, and then I'll come back because I'm not trying to get lost. I don't come around here often, so I don't know where I'm at. I was gonna get some Beijing food, because of Rihanna. But honestly, I'm not in the mood to eat something. So, the mood I'm in, I want to eat something that I know I'm gonna like. Meaning, I know I ate it already, so I know how it tastes. I don't want to get no Beijing food that I don't like it and I'll waste my money. You know what I'm saying? I'll get that another time. Let's go. I should get one of these bikes and ride it down there. That's what I should have did. No, I'm gonna walk. Oh gosh, I can't stand those. Them big ass dolls. I don't play with those. And people smoke. Yeah, man, can smoke, man. Sure. I'm gonna read a book, man. Man, that hurt me. And I'm hungry too. I'm annoyed. Something that irritates me. I need to come over here to without dog. Yeah, try holding me now, cause okay, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Then I'm gonna get some food. Then I'll go back home. I changed the wig. It's looking even, but it's looking uneven at the same time. I don't know. Like, this side look longer, but then I'm like, I'm gonna leave it because whatever. It's not that big of a deal, but maybe I'll cut it to even it out. You can't really tell. I don't know if you could tell. You should be able to tell. This side is a little longer than this side. Why? But you know them wigs that be having the, one side longer than the other one. Yeah, that's not what I was going for. I was going to cut it. I was going for an 8-inch wig. That's what I was going for, to cut it that short. But then when I was coming out, I was like, oh, they don't look that bad. But then I don't know. I just keep looking at it like, don't want to cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it again though. Oh, I have to do something. This reminded me. Oh, let me see how far. Wait a minute. Let me see how that building look. Let me show you how this building. That building look good. I'm gonna get out here. That building. That's so lopsided. No. They love their dogs over here. One thing about them, they love their dogs. the sun coming back out for me. Now you want to come back out. This morning I ate 10, was it 10? Or was it before 10? I had some oatmeal with banana. Listen, I'm hungry right now. I just want to eat something heavy. So, patty and cocoa bread, I got sweets for me. Yeah. Look at this thing. This is a cause thing they have at the Brooklyn Museum. This is cool. This is so cool. It's windy out here though. I'm at the set. Let's do what I'm doing. The sun keep coming out, in and out. I don't know what I want to do, but it's not closed. What are you talking about? Why I say it's closed? I'm about to go up there because I see people going up there, and yes, me I follow them because what you talking about? Up here is closed. I see people coming up here, going up here. Dirty water. She's chilling over there. The sun. All the buildings. This building is crazy. These are apartment buildings. Apartments, I think. I'm not sure. Look like it. See the boats over there?
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other boy, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'm so mature, it got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I one night, I just want you. If I can't have you, know I should have mine. I went through all this, not the best idea.
I want to see if I could go over there with a painting at, because I see people over there. I'm trying to see how they get over there though. I think, oh, this is where they buy the ferry stuff. I didn't go. I think I took a, is it NYC ferry? Is it this one? Or was it Staten Island? I don't know. Yeah, I think this is the ferry I took to Staten Island before. Like I took it years ago with one of my friends. Like, I guess that's where you get the ticket from. Like I said, it was like 2014 or 15. So it's been a while since I took the ferry. I took it only one time, but I'm going over there. It seems the other day it's like we keep on a filthy food we may normally eat on a regular. I cannot tell the last time I had a beef patty with cocoa bread from Golden Cross, and I don't remember the last time I had that. The sun. I don't know what that is. People coming off. I ain't been on there in a long time, like I said, so. Still wanna try to believe it. I forgot to tell y'all something. Listen. Like I said, today's February 20th, right? The Super Bowl was last week. Sunday. It's been a week. Right? Tell me why. I can't see myself. Like I always say. Tell me why I tried to upload a video 3 times, and it's not YouTube. At first I was blaming on YouTube, but it's not YouTube. It's the NFL people. They don't want you posting nothing up there, because nothing that you took from their channel, posting it on YouTube. They give me a friggin' strike. At first I posted with her by herself, and then I did 2 times in a vlog. Like, I added more clips. At first I was gonna do it by myself. That's what I did. I did it by myself, and then it didn't, you know. So I'm like, oh gosh, okay, let me just do the vlog since you're gonna try to spare me. Spare me what? They still gave me a strike after that 2 times. So I'm like, yo, listen, seriously? So, and you would think, it's not like they paid her for it. They didn't pay her for it. So it's like, why you can't go up on YouTube? You're not like y'all pay her for it. So what if it was on your channel? So what? They were just doing too much. I was like, oh, I was getting frustrated. Like, yo, F you. That's how I felt. I'm not gonna lie. See, shit like that, when shit like that happen, it's like, I be feeling unmotivated, I swear. But I'm like, you know what? The devil's working. They want me to give up. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep posting it. So if you go up late, you go up late. I'm still gonna post it. I don't care. Because it's like part of my reaction. So it's like, damn, part of my reaction can't go in the video? Like what? Okay, where am I going now? Yeah, so they were just doing the most of that, and I'm like, yo, been trying to post that video since the Monday. Try to get the next day, nothing. I'm like, oh my god, took a break. Tried again the same week. I think it was Thursday or Friday. I was just trying to post a video, and it would not go up. I'm like, yo, at this point, I'm getting frustrated and annoyed. Found it. Yeah. One thing about Williamsburg, or Williamsburg, whatever you want to call it, they gonna have some painting. The Black Matter, period. It's getting hella cold now.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone so late, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen.
See, this reminds me of Brooklyn Bridge with the stones and the water thing. It's over here chilling, and it's a nice little vibe. Oh, he reached over there. There's a guy over there in the rocks. Let me see if I can show you. He was sitting in the rocks. Look at the ducky. We got ducks. I'm gonna go on. I'm about to go over there for a little bit. I was over there, and then I said I'm gonna find my way over here, right? And I did. Because why not?
Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you,
Oh, this is nice. love this view. Yeah, it's better from over here. It's way better from over here. Oh, battery low? Oh, battery low? The battery being low for me.
I don't believe it either.
This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where I'm staying. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, he's still good. He's still good. Oh, he's still good. He's still good. If I need to talk, move around. Are you down for the call?
Alright, I'm out now because the phone about to die. So I have my charger thing, but still. Outside. I'm gonna try a Boba tea because I was been supposed to try it, right? Been supposed to try it, and I never did, so I'm gonna do it today. Porsche car. Fancy. You fancy, huh? You fancy, huh? So it says 5 minutes. It says 5 minutes, so I'm gonna walk up there.
It looks so.
Yeah. Oh, the train station is right here. That's even better for me. Well, I want to go to the supermarket down there to see what they have. This is better. Oh, they got Popeyes right here. Okay, it's closed. Oh, are those Asian snacks? Hold on. What's the Asian thing? Hold on. Is this Asian snacks? What they got? Asian chips. Oh, their prices. Hold on. $4.99. $4.99 for Lay's chips. Oh, y'all crazy. They're crazy for that. What? I got the Oreo $7.99. Look at it. Oh, why is it $7.99? Oh no, okay, let me get out of here. I probably won't even like that one though. It's like a hookah place. It's like a hookah place with snacks in there. But there's a train station right here. I could go back. I could take the elevator. No, I'm not doing that. Oh, it's over there. Okay, even better for me. But yeah, that thing, they're bugging in that store right there. Okay, so the Cardi B and Offset thing, right? I was gonna try it, and then I changed my mind. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try with Kimani. I don't know, but Kimani don't really eat the burger. He eat the chicken sandwich. So
that way, like.
See, it's a quarter pound. It's been a while since I had a quarter pounder with cheese. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna leave it because the burger, my face is really, it's already acting up. So if I eat the burger again, my face is gonna break out even more. I don't got time for that. I'm not eating no burger. Ever since I started juicing, like I know my face wasn't perfect, but ever since I started juicing and then I would go eat a burger, my face would react to it in the worst way. Y'all see it? Yeah. And it's crazy because I love quarter pounders, but I can't eat that no more, man. Oh, they got dollar salad. Alright, so for this little mini market when I come back. I need that. I'll be back. Let me hurry up and go get that tea. It's seems like it's so weird. Why you don't have a golden cross around here? It's just so weird. I feel like this is how you know this is the white part of Brooklyn. Because how do you not have a golden cross around here? Like, why not? That's a nice car. You're looking like an Audi. I don't know. I don't know cars, so. Where am I? Okay, I'm almost there. I'm not far. One thing all them people around here, they love their dogs. You won't see them with a dog. You're gonna see. I got a tie-dye place. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Somebody read nothing to me. I don't want to hear nothing. Oh, that's so cute. He riding on nothing with his daughter. That's a little risky, but cute at the same time. Sakura. Here's the place I'm going. What a place that. It's taking forever for me to reach there. 5-minute walk feel like it's 10-minute walk.
Really?
Yeah, I don't see no Bank of America around here. I got TD Bank. Well, I don't know. We open a new restaurant. Oh, look at God. Look at God. Let me go in here real quick. Look at God. As soon as I say it, I'm like, they don't got a Bank of America around here. That's crazy, bro. That's good. See? God loves me. God loves me, man. Hold on. Come on, boy. Alright, so going to the back. Nice doggy. It's cute. It's getting dark. I'm about to come down. If I walk one more block, I swear, if me walk one more block, okay, I think I'm close by because I see the diamond and braces thing, and I saw it on the map, so we gotta be across from it. Shouldn't be far. I found it finally after 10 minutes of walking. Alright, this is the flavor they have. Oh, it smells good in here.
Hello. I don't know which one to get. Pineapple mango jelly. That sounds good. Pineapple grapefruit jelly. You know, it smells. I love the other ice cream. I don't know what to get though. I wonder if I can match it. Alright.
The hot cup is the large, the medium size. I want to try this one, but I'm not sure. Or this one or this one. Yeah, I'm not very undecided. I'm like when they do the sugar level. I'm gonna put 30% sugar. Or should I put 50%?
He recommended me the fruit tea, so I'm gonna try it.
You recommend this one. That one. I was gonna get this one, but he recommended this one. So this $6.50 plus I have to add this to it. So it's $7.
Yeah, $7. Not bad. Nice.
Just mixing it.
That looks very nice.
I got it. Now look at the baggie. Oh, that's a nice car. That looks nice. But I got a little baggie. I want this one. That's a nice ass car, and this is my favorite color too. Let's actually go to the supermarket real quick. Hold on, let me go. Hold on. What they exist? 99. Yeah, we're gonna keep it in nuts. I don't want eggs. Fine goats. Extra large eggs. I'm about to get some eggs. I ain't had eggs in a minute. Dumpling stuff, potato and cheese. What are these stuff? I feel like I see this on TikTok. Sauerkraut and mushroom. Alright, I'm just get this egg for $4 and get out of here. I tried these, but the watermelon one, where is it? They don't have it. I tried those. Those are so freaking good. This look good. Mint, and peanut butter, chocolate. That's just keto stuff. Oh my god, these are my weakness. I love these stuff, but I can't even eat them. Oh, yeah, stuff. I don't even know that's a Jamaican term. Oh, yeah, so nice. Oh, this is a pistachio one. I don't know. I'm not really a big pistachio eater. But damn. Yeah. Got a chocolate one over here. How much sugar in this thing? Sugar. 8 grams of sugar. That's not bad. But I'm not buying it. I'm just looking. They don't have the new Doritos. New Doritos. They don't have it. Okay. That's one time in here. I'm out. Oh, the market area. They got the dollar salad. I'm about to get 2 of these. And they seal up. I like that. They got celery over there, but it's not big enough. Okay. Hold on, let me see. Go inside, let's see what they have. Guava. Some guava in it. $49 for guava. Oh, so this is Mexican guava.
Look at these cookies for $3.49. So, we should get them off it. On plastic $4. Are they on plastic? No, that's not it. One. That's not it. I'll just try. Lemon. Oh, there's juice in here. There's juice in here. Oh, there's a straight from a banana. I'm gonna get this salad.
They got dragon fruit here for $1 each. I just wanna try it. Oh, I see why it's $1. It's soft as hell. It's soft. I can't eat this. No wonder it's such $4. Cause it's soft. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this one. This one looks. I hope it's good. This is $1. Like, okay. I'm gonna try this one and put it in this box and get one of these. Should I get 2? 2, 350, 450. Where is juice? There's juice over there. That's $5 for juice. I made my own juice. these.
$4.49. You need a bag?
No, I have one.
Okay.
Oh, look at my bag. Let me come, y'all. I'm gonna put my drink in the bag, but I don't want it to fall. Alrighty. Thanks, Sister Live. Excuse me. 3 minutes. Coming. In 3 minutes. So, my card at? I'm coming in 2 minutes, so I'm Gucci. How you do it in New York City? Jump the turnstile. Honestly, I feel like jumping the turnstile right now. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Alright, so I go this side. You gotta read Brooklyn side. And that side is Queens. See? It says Long Island City and Jamaica. See that? This is my side. Brooklyn. This way I have to go. I'm go looking. What is that? So I was watching new people. I didn't finish. And then I started watching, what a movie called? I started watching Your Place or Mine. And I didn't like it either. I thought it was boring. I don't know. Yeah, I was watching that movie and I was like, this is boring. And I started watching The Reading with Monique. I was like, oh hell no. That movie is scary. To me, a little bit. Alright, the way how I'm hungry right now, like I don't even want to wait to eat this beef patty, but I'm gonna have to, because it's like after 6, like around 6:30, and look how dark it is. I see it because I'm like, what the hell is this place? I don't have time for this. First of all, it's the wrong address they have on Google. It says 918 on Google, but Romantic Depot. Is this a sex store? Hell yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. It's a sex store. It's called Romantic. Yeah. Golden Cross. This is where I'm going. Finally. I just want some patty and cocoa bread. That's all I want. Wait. You're not warm. Hi. You have beef patty and cocoa bread? Yeah. How much is it? 470. 529. Yes. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, the price is right there. I didn't even see it. Huh? Oh, yeah. Let me get it. Beef patty and cocoa bread. Interesting. Where's the price? What the price is? Yes. They really raised the price in here. I didn't even know that.
What kind of patties you want?
Beef patty.
Spicy?
Yeah. Saltfish. Bunda. Yes, I brought this one.
Cocoa bread?
Yes. Yeah, bring courage though. What about food? What? Oh, food. Oh, okay, man. We got chopped. Hold on. Here's a card.
Thank you.
Card. And we fucking cocoa bread. It's good. It's something come up to 5. I want to see price. Outside. No, I'm gonna eat beef patty and cocoa bread. This is where I just passed. I feel like I want to go inside. Oh, this is not an exit. It's the entrance. Girl, I'm going to your yard. You're on the road too long. Not for real, man. And it's still not that cold out here. It's like a little warm. It's feeling like spring. Yeah. No, it's fall, right? What's he doing now? Because it's not winter. All I know is it's hoodie season, okay? Because we didn't even get winter. Actually happy about that. The one little cold, the one time when we get a little cold, like the one time, that was a Saturday? That was the only time you could say winter was here. Other than that, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna walk on the train, go home, tear this beef patty and cocoa bread up. Better taste good too, you know? Oh, let's see. It's gonna be a while, but whatever. Lord, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I started watching the reading with Monique, and I had to turn that shit off. I started watching last night. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna watch it in the daytime. Like damn, like not even a couple minutes into the movie yet, and something crazy happening already. Oh hell no. I switched it off and I started watching All the Queen's Men. That show is good. I'm on season 1, episode. I just finished episode 7, so when I go home, I'm gonna continue watching finish the season. I'm gonna finish the season tonight because it's only 10 episodes a season. So when I go home, yeah, I'm gonna finish that because that show is actually good. One of my friends told me about it. I mean, I heard about it, but I just never watched it. So we was like talking and asking what show we watching now. And she was like, "You watch this?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "You should. It's good." And I'm like, "Okay." So Eva Marcel is in there, so it's a good show. I like it. Not bad. And did I say Jeannie and Georgia? And that was a good show too. But the ending was crazy. But she should have expected that. So she know people was onto her. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna ruin it for y'all if y'all didn't watch it yet. Hey, the sun said 3 minutes gone already, you know. What train the man? No train I come. Just bare darkness, Mrs. Oh, come on. You can't believe me just pay so much money for patty and cocoa bread though. What gonna do about it? I wanna eat it so alright. I'm out only time I go to go look at train now come. So me that just it's in my ears that come though. Ears that come. You see lights. You see lights in night tunnel. Wanna see it? Wanna see it? Yep, see light there. Wanna see it? See it light there? See train come there. Finally. After 20 minutes. I'm really mad at it, but that's how I feel, man. Like, what's it, 3 minutes? It's like 10 minutes, bro. Stop. I gotta fight you for it. So I have a lot of stops. I'll be right here, and I'm going there. It's a lot of stops. Sorry. What the fuck? Yo. They're annoying. Like, they're really fucking annoying. Why do they keep doing that? What's the point of you staying if you're gonna pull off when the train pull up? Stupid. I hate when they do that. Me thinking I was gonna take the friggin' A train. Second time they did that shit. Irritated. I gotta take 3-4 stops. Oh. I'm annoyed. My head hurting me. I'm annoyed. See, it's them. Just came off this train, right? And that was the train I was trying to go on at Broad Junction. And he moved. Oh, it's a girl. And she moved. But yeah, she come here. I'll come wait on me. People don't come up on this train. She makes sense? No, tell me if she makes sense. Tell me if she makes sense. Because why you couldn't wait for us? Stupid, like I said. That's dumb. I'm waiting. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Yeah, that hurt my body. I'm ready to pull this down. We go. Eat my food. So here's the tea. So meanwhile, this my patty warming up. I'm gonna try this tea, and then say I must stab it. Oh, there you go. Alright. I'll be back. Let's try this drink. Okay. It's fruit tea alloy. These are large. I didn't even tell how it, oh, I didn't tell them the size. I just remember I didn't tell them the size. This is a large. I was supposed to get a medium. It's an apple in there. It's 50% sugar. It's at the bottom. I like it. That's good. Patty and cocoa bread. The patty is bigger than the bread. Yeah. So it's also the same. It's been a while, but I remember the taste. Yeah. think it's this black thing at the bottom. I think they're called Boba. I don't know what the black thing called, but I'm putting it on the screen. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. For $5 though. Yeah. It's still flaky, crispy. It's very meat inside. See? As long as it's still flaky. Look at this. Alright, especially Rihanna. Oh, y'all should look. Now she's pregnant. Come hold you down. I don't like how this tastes. I don't even like it. The drink is fine, but this thing right here is like, it's kind of sticky. It's like chewy and sticky. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy this again. You came in my life.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know where the mouth. The square root of 69 is ASAP, right? Cause I'm trying to work out. Cool, white wine, I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, where we go? Only thing we have on the radio. Okay, say you gotta leave, but when you wanna stay, you just waiting on trying to get a first girl. The things that we can do, 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack the window, air it out. I can get you through the night long day, so when you go, the text that already don't say. Oh, nah, nah, who was the name?
If you and maybe you know this one. Shit. I blast this. Turn on Friday. You trying to turn up? I love how she made this video like equal with her pants. I like that. It's another one of my favorites. Rehab. Gotta check in the rehab, baby, you're my disease.
That's the way it was, you was put on for a faded fuck. I'm so faded up, she what the fuck you complaining for? Strip clubs and dollar bills. Still got money, strippers going up and down that pole. Still got more money, fuck like a real going home. Still got more money, money make the world go round. Still got more money, bang bang, go 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 down. Still got more money, all I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs. That's how we ball up. And I know that he knows I'm a free woman and kills me inside too. And I'm happy with some other guy. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the crazy wife. Every time I walk out the door,
This ad is annoying. It says that, but I have to go back to. You ain't say that though, so I don't know. Stop lying. Niggas be lying. Lying ass.
You look so dumb right now. Trying to apologize. Please, just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going, but now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. But it's over now. Don't wanna think about talking about girl, I love you. You're the one. The girl with me. I want more. The things I go to you. Before making me believe that you could be faithful to me and hear your feet down.
This song don't really get that much.
Hey.
Really get that much thing, but it's a nice song. I like it.
I just got a couple things to take care of first.
Alright.
Alright. See you there. Bye.
Her accent is so cute. I think it's my all-time favorite Rihanna song. So we're gonna play this one.
What?